birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha, at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times, and then yun na.
Hello anak, magandang umaga sa'yo. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Ang iyong kalusugan, ang iyong kaligtasan, nawa ay gabayan ka ng ating Panginoon at matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Itong alay ko para sa iyo na I love you with all my heart. I love you so much. You are my friend and my happiness. You are my dream and my special friend. I need you, my friend. Hello, Inday. Salamat at nakilala kita. Love you na. Again, happy blessed birthday. God bless you and be safe always. Love you na. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Inday. We love you always. So thank you for everything. Salamat sa imong blessing, imong gi-share sa ko, labi na sa mga advice. Thank you. Tagaan pa ka sa Ginoo og taas kay nga kinabuhi kay saon na lang og wala jud ko ani ba maduolan, madaganan. Charot lang. Ate Inday, salamat kayo. Happy birthday. God bless. More love, mwah, chup.
Ayan, 44 at saka 8. 8 na kasi si Joker. 94 and 8. Ito po yung mga niluto. Spaghetti, eggplant, pancit. Happy birthday! Ano yan? Thank you so much. Salamat po sa another year. Guys, kain na.